Thutha wa uthuthuria wa ihinda nyumba-ini ya kuiga mĩĩrĩ ya City, riu athuthuria merĩ nĩmaiguithanirie ati muhuthiri wa nenda Albert Ojwang tiwe weyũragire arĩ ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Central utuko wa kuroka muthenya wa Kiumia. Harĩ timu ya athũrimi atano na arĩa matabanĩtie mĩhang'o ĩno, mũthũrimi wa mĩĩrĩ wa thirikari Bernard Midia augĩte nguraro iria Ojwang enacio nĩ cia mũndũ ũtũngĩtio bara kiundutho.
Bleeds that we found on the scalp, on the skin of the head, was partially spread on all aspects, including the face, the sides of the head, and also the back of the head. When we tie up together with other injuries that are well spread in the body, including the upper limbs and the trunk, then this is unlikely to be self-inflicted injury.
Midia augĩte angĩkorwo Ojwang nĩ kwĩhũrithirie rũthingo angĩrĩ na irema cironeka mũtwe-inĩ wake oro ũndũ ũmwe na kura gwa thakame.
What I would generally state is that there were signs of struggle within that. There were signs of struggle generally for consumption.
Riboti ĩno rĩu nĩyonanĩtie riboti ya maabitha a borithi arĩa maheanire mũthenya wa Kiumia makiuga Ojwang akuire thutha wa kwĩhũrithia rũthingo ndĩrĩ na ũma.
We took various other samples from the body for analysis in forensic laboratory, and we are also inviting other interested investigative agencies.
Nimemsomesha kwa taabu katika kaunti ya Kilifi kwa kazi ya Kware, nikijinyima kwa ajili ya mtoto wangu kusoma. Alipohitimu nilikuwa nina matumaini, ndiposa nikatoka huko nikirudi Nyanza nikae nyumbani kwa sababu mtoto amefika mahali pa kunishika mkono. Sasa leo hii umenivunja mkono, umeniua. Kwa nini uniue?
Riu family ya Ojwang ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi ruhonge rwa guthurima mitugo ya maabitha a borithi ya IPOA ni moretie uthuthuria uhanyukio na aria othe makuruhanitio moerwo makinya.
We want every single officer held responsible, from the one who issued orders to the ones who picked him up to the ones that he was handed off to. We were informed by the OCS that he spoke to the OCPD. We want to see him part and parcel of those who are being held culpable.
We have cried too much, we've lost too many comrades, and this time, this has to be the last one we are witnessing.
Hado-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩchimo Joseph.